Hello friends, welcome to our channel Art with Anaga. Today we are going to make a refreshing immunity booster herbal tea. The ingredients required for the herbal tea are jaggery, ginger, cumin seeds, tulsi, cloves, cardamom, ajwain and turmeric. Take a 2 cup of water in a container. Little bit of turmeric which contains bioactive compound with powerful medicinal properties. Add a little bit of ginger here. It can also reduce your risk of diabetes, settles your upset stomach, also curb your morning sickness. Add cumin seeds here, which improves digestion. It contains rich source of iron and helps to weight loss and fat reduction. Add a few ajwain, which improve cholesterol level and helps to fight bacteria and fungi. Now add cloves, which contains important nutrients, antioxidant properties and kill bacteria. Add cardamom here, which contains antioxidant properties, help to resolve bad breath and cavities issue. Add some tulsi leaves, which relieves cold, cough, flu, sore throat. Put this container on a gas. Now add a 1 teaspoon of jaggery, which prevents constipation by adding a digestion. Use medium flame of gas. Boil the water for a while so that the all ingredient extract is absorbed into the water. Within a few minutes, our healthy and refreshing herbal tea is ready. The best time to have this tea is with the empty stomach. Friends, if you like this healthy and refreshing herbal tea, kindly share the recipe with your family and friends. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will get the latest notifications. Thank you.